Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Okta Verify with Okta SSO step by step clearly. To start activating Okta Verify with Okta SSO, open your web browser. Navigate to your organization's Okta sign-in page. Enter your username and password in the provided fields. Click on the Sign In button. If prompted, you will see a message indicating that you need to set up Okta Verify. Select the option to set up Okta Verify. A QR code will be displayed on your screen. Now, open the Okta Verify app on your mobile device. If you haven't installed it yet, download Okta Verify from your device's app store. Once the app is open, tap on the plus symbol to add a new account. Use your mobile device's camera to scan the QR code displayed on your computer screen. After scanning, Okta Verify will successfully add your account. Your Okta Verify app will now display a 6-digit verification code. Return to your computer and input the verification code from the app. Click on the Verify button. If the code is correct, you will see a confirmation message indicating that Okta Verify is successfully activated. You're now set up to use Okta Verify for your single sign-on process. For added security, remember to keep your Okta Verify app updated. Congratulations, you have completed the activation process for Okta Verify with Okta SSO. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.